Creating content to grow your business can be extremely time consuming and extremely expensive. That's why today we're going to be talking about Clipwise, because Clipwise AI allows you to create short form content in just 3 minutes. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is Clipwise. Now Clipwise allow you to create short form video, so whether that's TikTok, IG Reels, or YouTube Shorts, any kind of short form content, these guys allow you to do that for your business in literally 3 minutes. You can see here some of the samples that they're using, whether it's in travel, factual videos, fitness, history, or if you're a retailer or a lawyer, someone that's looking to promote their business, this is something that could be massive when it comes to just creating these videos in minutes. This is going to save you thousands and thousands of dollars, whereas normally you would be hiring an editor, a script writer, potentially you would have some kind of person presenting those videos for you. What we're doing with this is super simple. Okay, you set it up, you have your subtitles on the screen, it gets all of the images for you that you need, and then you are good to go to launch your video within a few minutes. The steps on this are super simple. As you can see here, you just input your video idea as a prompt, select the style of video that you want, and then you essentially just press generate. After you press generate, it's going to give you a script to review, and then you can also choose a narrator who will be your voice in the video. It's also going to give you some imagery that you can actually scroll through and check. You can also upload your own imagery that you've generated in your own AI platforms, which is good. Okay, and you can add finishing touches such as music, such as particles, such as subtitles as well. And with these subtitles, you can actually animate them. You can change the color of them to the brand you're trying to represent. And it's really just a quick, simple process to get going with this. And that's really it for the steps here. As you can see, super simple here. You just download, you then share it on your business profiles for your social media, and then you are good to go with a potentially viral video with an avatar that's presenting it and with AI generated voice, so you don't even need to hire anyone for the voiceovers. So when we're talking about a viral video, this could be anywhere from 5,000 views up to 100,000 views depending on the niche that you are in. Obviously, the view count in your niche could be smaller, but it's going to be higher converting because not many people are doing this right now, and it's one of the highest converting ways to get clients for your business. So very simple with the features that these guys offer. You've got that AI viral script writer. You've got 25 plus diverse visual themes. So what this is going to do, it's going to take your prompts, right? You can choose what theme it's going to be, whether it's anime, whether it's going to be art based with paintings, or it could be 3D renders. Really, it's up to you. And these are just 3 of the many visual themes that these guys offer. And here we can see with the voiceover, if you wanted to use a male or a female voice, you can do that. You can also choose the mood, tone, and accent of that voice. This is going to help you reach certain demographics. It's also going to help you with different languages as well, right? So if you wanted a Spanish audience or if you wanted an English audience, you can do that with this AI voiceover. This is super easy and effective, very efficient when it comes to this, because normally you're going to be paying hundreds of dollars for editors and voiceover people and all of the script writers and stuff like this. But with this as an AI product in itself, you also get everything all in one place. Sometimes with AI products, they can be great, but you're going to be switching between them with many different subscriptions, and that's going to add up over time. With this, you have one subscription and you get everything right in front of you, so you can use it very easily. You've also got 15 avatars that you can choose from, and we've got mood-based overlays for the background imagery. This is just going to help cement the narrative that you are trying to push, whether it is real estate, whether it is a lawyer, whether it's a little bit more corporate of a style. You can do that with this very easily. And they've also got copyright free music. With other AI products, guys, I've not seen much copyright free music out there that people can use. This is usually a massive problem if you don't have royalty-free music. And the reason for this is because of the royalties. If YouTube or IG see that there's a royalty-free music, they're not going to be limiting your algorithm. They're not going to be limiting your reach. If it is something like a rap music or something like this that is out there that is going to be needing royalty, then the algorithm will naturally just suppress your video and lower the view count from that. So the fact that these guys are offering this as part of everything else is massive, and it's just going to help that viral virality of your short form. So in summary here, guys, we can see it saves time, cost efficient, right? We'll get to the pricing in a minute, but ease of use, we've seen the 3 steps here. Very, very easy to get this set up. A high customization with different styles, quality output, and monetization opportunities with the revenue avenues that you can get with this thing. As we can see here with the pricing, you can see very, very cheap when you're comparing this with hiring editors, with hiring narrators, with hiring script writers, right? This could cost you thousands of dollars per month, but with this, you can get started for literally $20 per month, and that's going to get you 40 videos per month as well. So yes, I mean, if you're uploading short form content every day, that's going to be massively viral for your business, but also, yes, you're going to be able to do that with this on the lowest subscription tier, right? So you're going to get 40 videos per month, priority generation, okay, priority support with 1 hour. So if you have any problems, if you get stuck at all, right, then their support is going to be with you within an hour to help you get through any problems that you have. As well as that, if you get the annual plan, you get 60% discount on any of these plans, right? And basically, the higher up you go in your subscription tier, the more videos you get, okay? And as well as that, you're going to get premium videos with this highest tier. Obviously, use the link in the description. Definitely support the channel. We are doing this for you guys at the end of the day. So if you want to get involved, check it out in the description. So just a quick demo of the product here. Let's just take a look at quick vegan breakfast ideas. All right, we're going to select this in a 3D Pixar, all right, for one of the styles, and then we're just going to press generate. After this, you can see that it's generating our script for us. Okay, it's generating each different scene here very, very quickly and efficiently, and you're going to be able to pick different voices and different tones just with this very easily. And if you want a video avatar, you can do that as well just by clicking one of these. So let's just select Alexander Stone here and then press next and just see what it comes out with. So as you can see here, guys, it has actually generated a preview here. What we're going to do is press next and let this thing render. And as you can see here, guys, just after a few short minutes, we have a full video here that we can view and we can download and we can share to our socials, right? You can see here we've got the avatar going, and this is essentially the whole video made in literally under 3 minutes. This is crazy because normally when you do have editors and writers and stuff like this, your turnarounds could be up to a week, up to a month just for one video. So the fact that you can do this in 3 minutes is massive. So in summary here, guys, Clipwise is probably one of the best video creation when it comes to short form content. This is just going to help you have a front and center for your brand in a completely viral landscape. We can see here that these guys are going to be offering professional graphics, okay, real business transformation stories for your business so you can tell the story of your business and keep people hooked and get those clients very, very easily. You're going to get viewer engagement from this, so if they like your content, if it's entertaining for them, they're going to follow your business, and that's just going to help the algorithm overall. If you're outputting content for your business, it's going to be pushing your business to actually have more people look at it and potentially convert to buying things. This is also going to help with SEO. So these platforms like TikTok and YouTube are essentially search engines nowadays, right? So whatever your transcript is in this video, they're going to use their AI systems to essentially decode that. And then when people search for any kind of business that's similar to yours, your videos will come up first just based on this. And again, they write it all for you based on a prompt. You can do this very, very easily with your own voiceovers, with your own styles to pick, and you get music as well as particles to really sync it up with your brand. And the best thing about these guys right now is if you do get the yearly subscription, guys, you're actually going to get 60% off, but only with our link in the description. So definitely check this out. Again, it's under $1 here to produce a video, whereas normally you're going to be paying $500 and potentially even thousands of dollars to get this done. So that's going to be it from me. Definitely check this one out in the description. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.